Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom in EMPORIA Smart 5. To do this, you'll need to open your Google Play Store and find the Google Classroom and install it. When it's ready, tap Open. Then select Get Started. You need to choose your Gmail account for this classroom. Then press on the plus button, click Join, enter the class code right here, and when it's ready you should be able to connect with your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.